Good morning, students. We are going to start with the topic value of a polynomial. First, you consider a polynomial. P of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Consider the polynomial P of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. If we replace x by 1, we will get P of 1. We will replace the variable x by 1. We will get P of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. Then what is 1 cube? That is 1. Then 5 into 1 is equal to 5 minus 1 square is equal to 1. 1 into 2 that is equal to 2 plus 3 into 1 3 minus 2. Then first we add the positive terms, that we will get 5 plus 3 that is equal to 8, and minus 2 plus minus 2 we will get minus 4. Then 8 minus 4 that is equal to 4. Then listen, therefore we can say that the value of P of x at x is equal to 1 equal to 4. Value of P of x at x is equal to 1 equal to 4. Next topic is zero of a polynomial. Consider a polynomial P of x x minus 1. You know that it is a linear polynomial. We will, if we replace x by 1, we will get 1 minus 1 that is equal to 0. If we replace x by 1, we will get the value 0. When we substitute which value to that polynomial, we will get 0. That value is called the zero of a polynomial or root of that polynomial. I will show you an example. Find the value of P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. Find the value of P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. Let consider the polynomial P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. We will replace x by 1, that is P of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7, that is 5 minus 3 plus 7. First you add the positive terms. 5 plus 7 12 minus 3 is equal to 12 minus 3 that is equal to 9. Then the value of P of x 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1 is 9. Next, consider an example of zero of a polynomial. An example, check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. First you consider the polynomial P of x, that is x plus 2. Then we will replace x as minus 2. We will get minus 2 plus 2 that is equal to 0. We will get the answer 0. Therefore, we can say that minus 2 is the zero of that polynomial x plus 2. Do you understand? Next we will check x as 2, that is p of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. That 4 not equal to 0, so we can say that this 2 is not a 0 of that polynomial x plus 2. Now we are going to discuss about constant polynomial. What is constant? A symbol which have a fixed value, that is called a constant. Then in general form of a constant polynomial is 5x raised to 0. Then ax raised to 0. Then the degree of a constant polynomial is 0 and the coefficient is a constant. Do you understand? Then what is the 0 of a constant polynomial? We will consider an example, 5x raised to Consider an example. Take a constant polynomial 5. You know that the general form of a constant polynomial is 5x raised to 0. That is p of x is equal to 5x raised to 0. We will replace any value of this. X as 1, we will get 5 into 1 raised to 0, that is equal to 5. Then we will put 2, we will get 5 into 2 raised to 0. What is the value of 2 raised to 0? That is equal to 1. That is 5 into 5. That's the constant. We will put any value to that polynomial. We will always get that constant polynomial. So we cannot find the 0 or root of that constant polynomial. Do you understand? If we put any value to the variable x, we will never get the value 0. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ഏത് വാല്യൂ ഈ കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ടൈമിന് ഈ വേരിയബിളിന് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലും നമുക്ക് ആ കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ടൈം തന്നെയാണ് കിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഒരിക്കലും 0 വാല്യൂ റിസൾട്ടായിട്ട് കിട്ടത്തില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അതിന് ഒരു ഈ കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് പോളിനോമിയലിന് 0 കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.